Well, and he starts with a good one. The bowler was very keen there. He stifled appeal, legged by a signal. And an outside edge that goes past second slip and will bring up the first boundary for the Black Caps. And that's a beauty. They'll squeeze through for one comfortably. It's a good amount of movement.
Can bite you with a bit of bounce and pace. Good find for India.
And here we go, Brendan McCullum on the move. And a bit of a verbal from the bowler. And gone. Yes, it's a good diving catch. Vincent. Again, he's asking about it, Lou Vincent. He's standing his ground, but initial thoughts, that is a clean catch. Fabulous start here for R.P. Singh. Just too high up on the bat. Ambitious stroke early on. You could argue it was there, but he couldn't keep it down, Lou Vincent. Kartik with a good catch diving forward. They're never easy. That is classy. Ramesh Raja picked it, said he should be better off doing this. And again, the good channel of bowl, but look at this. That is just raced away for four more. Quality. That is outstanding. And this one is a beauty. No one back there.
Shot, it's gone screaming for four. He's done it again, as good as the first one. R.P. Singh's got to get his length and line right. He's expensive.
This is clever batting by Brendan McCullum.
That is a huge hit, beautifully picked up off his toes. Won't see many better shots than that. He's been clobbered first ball. It's a good hit again from Fulton. He's a big man. He's had a heave across the line. Mark Benson gives him the pointed finger, and that is a strike for Harbhajan. This is not the most elegant shot from Peter Fulton. He didn't pick the length, and Mark Benson took a millisecond to give him out. There we go, it's the sixth ball that goes for four.
Thanks, Alan. And on one knee, and swatted all the way for six. Some firepower still to come there. Styrus, McMillan. And this, has it got enough legs on it? No, it hasn't. That is a good catch out in the deep. And that man, Harbhajan Singh, picks up another wicket. He's had to go. New Zealand now 86 for 3. More of those to whistle out of the park. Having a crack there, and he's been given. Long has got the finger out. And Ross Taylor is on his way back. Ross Taylor, LBW 411. He has got to go. 89 for 4 in New Zealand. Just content to try and pick ones and twos. And that could be close. As Mark Benson will be coming upstairs. Styrus is history. He's gone, Berger. Back to the pavilion. Scott Styrus will have to go. Harbhajan around the wicket. Yes, quality. The reverse little lap. That goes for four from the big fella.
India have done well. They picked up wickets. Jacob Oram can hit the ball hard. It's a skyer and it's gone. Massive six from Jacob Oram. He's such a good timer of the ball, and importantly hits the ball straight.
Pressured little.
It's another one. This time it's flat. Hits the board on the full. Terrific hitting from Jacob Oram. This time it's Craig McMillan. It's gone. 3 sixes in the over. New Zealand turning it on. Goes for another one. It's a straight hit. Will this carry? It's It's gone for a boundary. Most expensive over of the innings so far. Flatter and runs again. Will this be stopped? Good stuff by Gautam Gambhir. In the end, he got to the ball just in time. But a massive, massive over for New Zealand. Sreesanth is back again. Slow delivery, that's hit hard. It's a huge hit, straight six. Craig McMillan has hit a beauty. Round the wicket this time, and the result is the same. It's a skyer, and it's a long and handsome, and another six. This is carnage. Brilliant effort from McMillan. That's in the air. Another six. Sreesanth being torn apart here. Tries another delivery. Once again, wrong line from Ajit Agarkar. He's lost the plot here. Another four. This is not good stuff from Ajit Agarkar. That's up in the air. This should be taken. Or has it gone the distance? It's another six. From a flowing innings. Bowled him. Trying something audacious. Daniel Vettori. R.P. Singh hits the bullseye.
Vettori trying to help it over the fielder at the 30-yard circle, 185 for 7. As his favourite shot. And that's going to be tough for the third man. He's wider. Robin Uthappa, he's swift. There's got to be a run out there. But the idea was right. New Zealand had to get Craig McMillan on strike. Well, he's on the strike now, but New Zealand have sacrificed Shane Warne. Pitch is still good for batting. McMillan wants him to run. I think he's run out. And he's not happy, Craig McMillan. He was short of the crease, gone for 44. New Zealand 190 for 9. Play and a miss. Once again, Dhoni with the ball, and the target is achieved. R.P. Singh has got the last man run out. 3 run outs in the last over. MS Dhoni can afford a smile.
That's crashed through the offside. Typical Sehwag. And he gets his first boundary. That was in the air for a bit. That's a cracking shot. And it might just have gone the distance. There he goes again. Will get another boundary. Good over for the Indians. 15 off it. This is Gambhir. He's got stuck into that. That's 6. Length delivery, and he's hoiked it over square leg. He goes again. He'll get a boundary. It's cleared the man at first slip. And he still gets it away. This time in the air. These are good overs for the Indians. Brilliant shot. He's pierced the offside field again. And another boundary to end the over. 18 off it. And India on a roll. 37 for no loss.
Covered a lot of ground, India, in these first few overs.
That's off the outside edge. Third man should cut it off. No. Despairing drive there from Shane Warne wasn't good enough. And Sehwag goes through the offside. Boundary of the first ball and pressure on the off spinner. Deep mid wicket is empty. He goes to the offside again, slices it away. Second boundary of the over. This is great going for the Indians. Picked away on the onside. And it's good placement. Third boundary of the over. Here he goes again. This is a brilliant strike for 6. Inside out, over extra cover, and into the crowd. 20 runs of the over, 67 for the loss.
Well, this will go well. Look at this. New Zealand simply can't stop the run. He's got this one away as well. That's not going to be stopped. It's another boundary for Seward. Scott. Gone. Styrus takes the catch. And Seward, in a soft way, gets out. But that has been a magnificent innings. 76 for 1, Seward gone for 40. He's gone. But the bars stay at the crease is a short one. One delivery it takes. Daniel Vettori has done a captain's job.
Just what the New Zealanders needed. He's out for naught. It's 77 for 2 now.
He does exactly that and gets 6. Excellent use of the feet. And going through nicely with the shot. That's excellent bowling. He's been given. Good change of pace from the New Zealand captain. He slowed it up. Bean was chipping down and he got some glove on it. Catch! That's hit powerfully down the ground. He'll get 4 for it. And he's known for that, Tony.
Catch it!
That's in the air. And taken. Top edge for Yuvraj Singh, and Chetan Patel gets a wicket. It's 116 for 4. Goes for the pole and gets the boundary. 2 men in the deep, and the placement was excellent. A chance of a run out. This could be trouble. Dhoni sent back, and a good piece of fielding by Vettori. This looks out. Touch and go. Is his bat in the air? Yes, he's short of his ground. Can't get the man on strike. He gets it into the gap. Will find the boundary.
Had to come, and Patan has. He's just beaten the field. Was always there though for 4 or 6. Patan gets one out of the fat. And again, just short of 6. Slide across. Bowling, yeah, it's a ripper. He's pulled it out, the skipper, just when they needed it. He's got 3 for 15, Big Dan. And has it cost them? Has it cost them? No! Bond this time. Dropped a goober yesterday, but he's taken this one for Vettori, and he is gone. Kardic's gone for 17. It's 151 for 7. Oh, nearly the Yorker. Just a low full toss. Now again, Nigel Long. He's doing a lot of disco dancing out there. The arm's happening.
Touch and go. Well, at least he's dragging the bat in, but he's short of the crease.
It's gone straight up in the air. Who's called for this? The captain, Vettori. Takes it. 9 down now, India. Well, outside edge, is it? Thickish one. Races away for 4 here at the Wanderers. Teed off, just a single. Back to Vettori. He pumps the air. And New Zealand win 180 for 9 off their 20 overs, India. And New Zealand have won by 10 runs.
So the summary of this first Super 8 match: New Zealand 190, they were put into bat, and India 180 for 9, New Zealand winning by 10 runs.